abbreviated video on this car, but it is important for you to kind of understand it. So basically, here's the deal. Yes, the idle's a little low. We need to tweak that. Doing pretty good for the most part, but the heater turns on, the fan, the lights work. The blinkers are sort of intermittent, and I've noticed that the odometer does not work, but the speedometer does. The radio actually does work. It just has to warm up. That's cool. Those usually don't work in these. Let's see, the choke works, but you have to kind of hold it out. It doesn't stay out on its own. The amperage gauge is working, and the horn is working nice and loud. So there goes the radio.
16 months faster than the U.S. courts.
Kind of cool. So anyway, there you go. It's obviously still a project car, but it's getting better. And it sat for, I think, 17 years. The tags expired in 2003. And then it was taken in and a bunch of work was done to it, kind of the preliminary round of work to make it start, run, drive, and cruise. But it could use, you know, a little more tweaking by an enthusiast. But it's not far from being probably totally road ready. And it's just a, you know, kind of a cool old original car. All right, there you go. Oh, by the way, the shifting is fine. It, you know, it shifts up and down fine. But the clutch, I'm not sure if this is normal. The clutch needs to be almost all the way out for the car to move. So we're just going to check the clutch for wear or if it needs an adjustment or something. But anyway, there you go. All right, talk to you later. All right, so heading under the Metro, the thing you notice under here, it's just like a super original car, but the floors and the frame rails and the inner rockers and everything are just in really good shape. There's no rust or rot under here. Check it out. Really clean frame. Really great inner rockers. And these cars notoriously could get pretty rotted out underneath. So when you're restoring one, you want to definitely pick one with a good undercarriage. This one definitely has that. Yeah, sorry, the lighting's not great right now for this, but these inner rockers are great. Check the still photos and that'll come out a little bit better. There you go. So just an excellent undercarriage on this old California car. Okay, so I like to do the magnet test here. And you're going to find there's rust in the doors, but for the most part, this thing is really pretty filler-free and pretty rust-free, other than the door corners. So let's go around and show you. It's just like a really light magnet, and it grabs it nice. It's so important when you're restoring a car, too. So that's just your typical, you know, door rot, which is sad a little bit down there, but... So pretty good. I mean, the magnet's grabbing the rockers all the way around. Some of these cars are just packed with Bondo. This one isn't. And we'll just kind of go back there and show you that. I mean, that's clearly, that has to all be ground out and gotten rid of on a repaint, but... There you go. That makes for easy restoration. Just gotta get this doors handled.